tarik junani je dak Doboka residence kusukulo anem ke Sammudin ko alang li itung Karbi Kepan nakang ton nakang ti lapuson lam jumi junu kening je topik lo itung social media lo anta pinian ta jui jamo ke share bang ka topik lo lasi therak me son si theklong lo lasi itung kiase tum chilang si jingbai lo labang itung to joy ke chok chi pojoi ne si pini tum dak kana long anta ke fire alang li against ke na pilo je itung dak ti number ta me nang pidun lo laben non alang li tum bang ke itung 100% nang thap nang pidun lo je la so pan bang ke la so amuni pan bang ke netek ku kusi ada thana tum ta me itung kana chi chak lo lasi fire nang pilo lasi la so long ta nemne ti kan itung dak na chungri versi
সাউন্ডে ক'লে যে এওঁ ঘৰটো হ'ল মানে উদমাৰী দবকা উদমাৰী তাৰপিছত তেওঁৰ নামটো হ'ল শামছুদ্দিন আৰু দেউতাকৰ নামটো আছিলে আপোনাৰ কি আছিলে আব্দুল মালিক তেওঁ মানে কি কৰিছে ফেচবুকত আহি পেলাই কি নাজানো এই ছ'চিয়েল মিডিয়াত আহি পেলাই কি কৰিছে এই আমাৰ কাৰ্বি জাতিটোক এনেকুৱা হিচাপে তুচ্ছ তালিচ্ছ কৰিছে হা এনেকুৱা হিচাপে অপবেলেগ আব্দুল মালিক তেওঁ মানে কি কৰিছে ফেচবুকত আহি পেলাই কি নাজানো এই ছ'চিয়েল মিডিয়াত আহি পেলাই কি কৰিছে এই আমাৰ কাৰ্বি জাতিটোক এনেকুৱা হিচাপে তুচ্ছ তালিচ্ছ কৰিছে হা এনেকুৱা হিচাপে অপব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছে এই শামছুদ্দিন তুমি ভালকে থাকিবা হা তুমি যাতে এনেকে জাতিক লৈ তুমি এনেকে অপব্যৱহাৰ নকৰিবা কাৰণ এই জাতি আপোনাৰ খাই থৈ দিয়া নাই তুমি খুৱাই থৈ দিয়া নাই এই কাৰ্বি জাতিটোক এই কাৰ্বি জাতিয়ে তোমাক একো কৰিবলৈ জনাই তুমি কি কাৰণে কাৰ ইমান বলত আহি তুমি এইখিনি কাম কৰিছা যে এটা কাৰ্বি জাতিক তুমি ইমান অপব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছা তোমাক সকিয়াই দিছো যে তুমি অতি সোনকালে তুমি চাৰেণ্ডাৰ হোৱা নহলে তোমাৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা আৰক্ষীয়ে কিন্তু চোচৰাই আনিব অশ্লীল ভাষা একদম ব্যৱহাৰ মানে এনেকুৱা শুনিব নোৱাৰা ব্যৱহাৰ তেওঁ কৰিছে যদি তোমাৰ যদি কাৰোবাৰ লগত যদি কিবা যদি হাই কাজিয়া হৈছে তুমি নিজে পাৰ্চনেল হিচাপে তুমি গালি গালাজ কৰা কিন্তু তুমি এটা জাতিক লৈ ইমান অপব্যৱহাৰ কেনেকৈ কৰিছা তুমি ক'ত ইমান সাহস পাইছা তুমি হা তুমি ইমান সাহস ক'ত পাইছা তুমি ইমান সাহস ক'ৰ পৰা পাইছা তুমি এই উত্তৰ দিব লাগিব গতিকে এই কালপিতটোক অতি সোনকালে গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ কৰিব লাগে আৰু জোখতকৈ বেছি তাক শাস্তি দিব লাগে।
Welcome back to my channel Blaze Ronghang Presence, and in this video I'm going to show you a person who goes viral on social media. So before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go directly or as swift as an arrow to the video. Let's see. So as much as the information that I got from the other sources, okay, I'm explaining this whether okay it may go a little unfair maybe to some persons, but as far as I know, okay, and honestly I'm reviewing the video.
আৰু যে কাৰ্বি সুদা আৰে আমি কাৰ্বি সংগঠনৰ পৰা কৈ আছো তুমি ফেচবুকত আহি গালাগালি নকৰ পোৱালি গুটেই কিটা কৈ আছো তহঁতৰ বাপ দেউতাকৰ ছ'চিয়েল মিডিয়া নহয় এইটো অষ্ট্ৰেলিয়াৰ হয় ইউএছএৰ হয় এই ছ'চিয়েল মিডিয়াটো এই ফেচবুকটো ইউএছএৰ হয় কেলা কুকুৰৰ পোৱালি সকল আজি যদি ফেচবুকটো বন্ধ কৰি দিয়ে ফেচবুকটো বন্ধ কৰি
in the social media he wanted to go viral, so it's of a hateful video of him. After seeing the video, we got information that he hailed from a particular place called Udmari in Doboka area in Doboka. It is in Assam. So as per the information that we got from some sources, particularly from the KSA, that he wanted to have a viral, or what could be the reason, but according to the video it's a personal fight, I think. He further said that the Facebook or the YouTube, it doesn't belong to your father, it's not the property of your parents, he said that. And this Facebook is operated from USA or from other country like Australia. So if the Facebook it is stopped or banned, then nothing you could do. The Karbi people won't survive, he said. He wanted to take revenge to a particular son, might be, but I do not know that how he went to a particular community which is called the Karbi Tribe in Assam, in India. So about at least 50% of this community, the Karbi tribe, they came to know about this person, which people came to know him as his name is Sammudin. In the video, he himself was a member of Karbi organization or association, and on behalf of Karbi, he talked such a hateful or ill will or some very vulgarity words to the Karbi society. So the people of this tribe, they, after seeing this video, they came that how sad for the people of Karbi and how he looked down upon the Karbi people. So this video doesn't suit for the people of this Karbi tribe in hilly areas. Now they are a civilized way as per the KSA, it's called Karbi Student Association. In the video itself, it shows that they are civilized and they are educated now. And if compared to him, the people of Karbi or the Karbi, they reside or live or work in other country of the world itself. Not only him, like in the video, the KSA fight in the Doboka police station. So culprit will be soon nabbed by the police. So he would be given a justified punishment. And as per the demand, the punishment should sure go to him, to the culprit Sammudin of such a hateful person or ill will in his thought that he eventually opened and it's let it known his evil words in his mind to all the people of the country. This Sammudin's video was uploaded into Facebook on 28th of this year, June, in the month of June. At present, the KSA, they got information where he is about now, and right now he is in Bengaluru as an employee in an industry or as a worker there, but soon he will be brought from there to this police station Doboka in Karbi Anglong district. Doboka police station promised that he would be brought back here in Karbi Anglong to give a severe punishment. The video, we do not know what went wrong with him. There must be a tussles between he and his other colleague might be or another unknown person to him in the Facebook. But such a way that he mentioned all the Karbi societies in his fight between his rival. So it brought all the Karbi societies into this arena as a very, very hateful video. Some such an vulgarity or such a indecent words he used. One might be unable to hear it or to cover his ears not to hear it again, such a hateful words to the society. So this video, as per the organization, they demanded him to apologize to the Karbi society as fast as possible, or to act sorry for the Karbi tribe especially because of his unknowingly or he intentionally mentioned the Karbi society. Not in the video, he said that inclusively all the Karbi reprimand him. It is said that he said that the Karbi scolded him very strongly. So in regarding this as a challenge or like a taking revenge, he said that the Karbi societies are the sons of a bitch, he said. So he said that you are all the sons of a bitch, the daughters of dog, he said like this. So in this video, a particular person might say to him as a personal enemy, but he should not comment to all the societies or give a revengeful message to all the Karbi section of people. So all the people do not fight with him, he himself and other person, like that only two as a duel they might have fought about it, but now it embraces all the Karbi society. Such a indecent words he used, such a bad words. It is one cannot listen like a respectful person. Then what a man he could be. Just imagine or think about him. And he should think about his respectable family might be. And he has his friends also. And he's the nationality of Indian. He must think carefully. Is he educated or uneducated? How he has been nurtured by his family. He must think. But at present, right now, he is a little far away from this place. He is working in Bengaluru, so he might have nothing can do for me. That he is very far away from Assam. He might think like this. But there are some organizations who will take a strict action against him. They have already filed in the Doboka police station. So let's see the result. You have some personal words that you wanted to share with other people, then you can write or give in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. Meet in the next video. Thanks again.